Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we're looking at the 2023 JBI Suspension WP Bladder Kit and doing a comparison to the previous generation JBI Suspension Bladder Kit. That is for the 2017 to 2022 WP Linkage Shocks. We're doing this comparison so you can see the evolution of what has changed from the previous generation shock to the newer generation WP Linkage Shock. One of the main features that stands out is that the nitrogen can or tank has increased in diameter. Here is the new tank next to the previous generation. As you can see, this one is much larger in diameter. What that means is as this piston or separator has to move up and down less to accommodate the volume change or difference of the shock shaft when it enters into the shock body. This being a smaller piston diameter, but still being displaced a similar amount of volume from an 18mm shock shaft, this piston must move up and down much more. This one is much more efficient because you have a lot less mass moving and you have more surface area across the entire piston face for the oil and gas to push on. While that is a big improvement, it has shown bladder style shocks still tend to be preferred / favored by riders. Previously, this is the 2017 to 2022 JBI suspension bladder kits, which are available at ridejbi.com. Glancing at it, you will notice that we have similar geometries in terms of the diameter of our cylinders, and also the diameter of our piston is very closely matched to the diameter of our bladder. What that does is that allowed us to achieve a larger nitrogen volume than the stock unit. In the stock unit, I'm referring to the 2017 to 2022 WP Linkage Shocks. WP went ahead and did that. They increased their nitrogen volume in 2023 with this newer updated design. So when it came for Ride JBI to make a bladder kit conversion, we went with the same volume that the can came with. So our bladder kit utilizes the same nitrogen volume as the OEM piston style. However, the key difference is this is a bladder style and this is a piston style. These will soon be available at ridejbi.com. For the past few months, we have been testing many of these sets, and all the feedback has been positive and all successful with no failures of any sort. As we speak, there's a production batch being made, and these will be available in the next 15 to 25 days. Beyond the rider preference of riders often preferring bladder style shocks over piston, the most common purchaser of these kits are people that like to service their own shocks and they do not have the special WP tool required for charging these shocks with nitrogen. So they favor the bladder kit as an easier method of servicing their shocks. Ride JBI has both. So whether you like to keep your shock a piston style shock or a bladder shock, we have suspension settings developed for that and can help you. We'll soon have a third video on how the testing has gone on our 2023 JBI suspension bladder kits out soon. So that way you could follow along and then how the development went, how the testing went, and see all that before our production run comes out. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.